All right guys, we're gonna swap over our wire again and take off our spool lock here. We're gonna push this down and then reel back our wire. You wanna be mindful not to accidentally let go or that wire will backlash on you. So we're just rolling it back so we can save some wire. Taking our time. All right. Gonna put it through a hole like so, that way it doesn't unspool on us. All right, that's nice and secure. Now we can take off our wire. And now we can replace it with the hard wire. Now you want to be mindful on how it goes on. You want your wire to be rolling through the bottom and on through the feeder. Because if it's coming over through the top, it'll get snagged on that bushing right there. I'm going to take off our wire guide plate, take off our gloves for some dexterity, grab our handy dandy clippers. Get it unspooled here. Now be mindful not to accidentally let go of your wire, because it will unspool on you and you'll have a big mess on your hands. All right, we're going to feed it through. Going to have our finger right there on that wire guide. We're going to feed it in a couple of inches. That way it doesn't back out. And in the meanwhile, while we're at it, we're also going to change our rollers around to where it says 035. Lock that one in place. Unlock this one. Turn that one around. Make sure it says 035. Boom. Lock it in. Put that down. Get our wire guide plate on there. Make sure it's snug, that way it doesn't bird nest on us. And put our spool lock back on. Make sure our lid's closed. We're ready to roll.
Thank you for watching our video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something today. If you would like to get some more tips and tricks and become a better welder, then subscribe to our channel. And if you would like to learn even more right now, then click on our link. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.